हेलो ऑल यू ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है, स्पेशली इस करंट सिचुएशन के लिए जहां हम लोग एक पैंडेमिक से लड़ रहे हैं। टुडे वील बी टॉकिंग अबाउट सम इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग फूड स्टफ व्हिच वी मस्ट इंक्लूड इन आवर डाइट, क्योंकि मास्क हम लोगों को सिर्फ 60% सिक्योरिटी देता है और 40% रिस्क लेना इज too much. So we'll be focusing on strengthening our immune system. Before moving ahead, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up. The first thing to include in our diet is vitamin C. Vitamin C is directly linked to our immune system. It strengthens our immune system. Now the fruits rich in vitamin C include orange, papaya, kiwi, red, yellow and green capsicum. But the problem is our body does not produce or store vitamin C, so we have to consume it daily in the recommended amount. That's why I suggest you to keep some vitamin C tablets handy. You'll find them over the counter and it's not very expensive. The tablets I suggest is Limcy, but then it's mostly not available, especially not in my region, so I had to buy this one, VCZ. This contains zinc as well in combination with vitamin C, so that's good. Not just vitamin C, but vegetables containing vitamin A, D and E and antioxidants are also important, like broccoli, spinach, sweet potato and carrot. Steam cooking is recommended because heating these things to a high temperature will kill their antioxidant properties. Consuming garlic also strengthens our immune system because it contains a sulfur containing compound allicin. Ginger is also helpful as it is anti-inflammatory. In general, it's important that we shift our focus from carbs to proteins. That is, we have to consume a higher percentage of protein and a lesser percentage of carbs. Therefore, if you are a vegetarian, it's important that we include in our diet meat like chicken. If you aren't, you can go with pulses, that is all sorts of dal, they are rich in protein. Another element which is important for our immune system is zinc. The problem with zinc is that if it is consumed in a large amount, then it might start inhibiting our immune system. So attention must be given to the amount. Zinc containing food include nuts like cashew nuts, almonds, walnuts. So a handful of these is enough and optimum, although overeating nuts can have a negative effect. When talking about immunity, it's very important that we focus on our gut because it plays an essential role in strengthening our immune system. For that, I'd suggest including probiotics in your diet. Now, yogurt is a very good source for probiotics, but I'd suggest that you go with a plain yogurt rather than a flavored yogurt, and in a plain yogurt, please choose something which is labeled with live culture because that one is especially helpful. I'd not recommend consuming Yakult because it contains some artificial sweeteners and flavors which are not recommended or which are not healthy and have side effects in the long term. Now that we have come to the end of the list of food suggestions, we'll be talking about the Desi traditional Indian immunity booster, which is highly recommended by our Prime Minister himself. It's very easy to make and it's very efficient. All we need to do is we have to combine all the ingredients and boil them till the water reduces to half, which is about 15 minutes. Okay, so the ingredients of this Desi immunity booster are 1 moti elaichi or 2 green elaichi, fresh turmeric or kachi haldi in crushed state, 4 long or cloves, 8 to 10 kali mirch or black peppercorns, 1 dalchini or cinnamon, 1 small piece of adrak or ginger, and 5 basil leaves or tulsi leaves. Okay, so the ingredients have been listed down in the description box below. Thank you guys for following this video up till the end, and I'm very happy that you did, and I wish all of them remain healthy and safe from all sorts of diseases, especially in this pandemic. Please remember to wear your mask, stay at home, practice social distancing. I'll see you again in my next video, which will be about workout in quarantine. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.